Unang beses lang naman naboboto, no? Unang beses naboboto.
Kahit saan. Tangina, palyado na naman tayo.
Just huwag ka magmura. Kasi kakat ko na naman. Joke.
Hindi nila nilista yung mga dapat nilang ilista.
Hindi, may nilista siya.
Pero kulang nga daw yung
Oo,
information.
may
Kaya siya
kulang.
nawala.
Hi, good morning again. It's 2:15 in the morning of May 9th. So, election day na mamaya. I've decided to log on and work kasi ang dami ko pang pending. And at the same time, ayoko ng stressful yung Monday ko. So, today, I'm a transaction coordinator for a real estate company in New York, and I have a lot of pending tasks. So today I want to work on contracts para by tomorrow it's all updated na, while waiting for 7 a.m. which is according to those who have experience in voting na, that's the best time para pumunta sa presinto. FYI, this is the first time that my husband and I are going to vote. I want to experience it at least once in a lifetime, know how it feels like to vote. I'm not really into politics. I don't like talking about politics or religion because I think it's too personal and it causes too much how do you refer to it? Collusion? So anyway, I just uploaded Saturday's vlog. If you could check that out. I always put the link for daily vlogs at the description box, and then let me know what you think. If you do like these videos, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Yung mga plano ko for today, but in the afternoon I'm fully booked with Krista. I'm going to start teaching her how to work from home. Check out our blog. It's thegspotcompany.com. I just uploaded a couple of blogs in there, and I'm also working on the work from home ultimate guide. So sana makatulong dun sa mga gustong matutong magtrabaho sa bahay. So anyway, login na ako. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye! Hi, so 6:30 in the morning of May 9th, and today is election day. And then earlier, on my previous clip, you must have seen me sorting out a year's worth of basura, mga papel, paperwork, because I have to find that certification that we got from Comelec. So anyway, right now I'm just wrapping up some stuff at work. I would love to go back and log in again, but I have plans. So I am literally making a plan of what would happen today. So I'm thinking about voting, so give it an hour, and then maniped, and then hopefully kaya pa ng facial, and then sleep, and then wake up at around 3:30, prepare for our training session with Krista. And then good news, Mana is also joining us, so it's gonna be fun. I will most definitely have a separate vlog about that because it's a different topic than our regular daily vlogs, but I'll show you some clips later on. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Hi, 6:48 in the morning, and we live pretty near dun sa 1% dito sa Sabalero, and I've seen a lot of people on their way to vote already as early as now. In fact, I just have to wake my husband up because I think we need to get there na ASAP. Hey guys, so it's almost 8 o'clock. Pulling off this very simple look. Brows, powder, and lipstick, and then some blush on. As you can see, yes, very much ready to show off my imperfections because I want all of the mothers out there to know that nobody's perfect. Hello! So, apparently, wala dito sa malapit sa ang aming presinto. Now, we're off to another precinct. Sabi nila ito daw yung pinaka-challenging pagka unang beses lang naman naboboto, no? Unang beses naboboto. So, ayun. Pupunta kami ngayon sa kabilang presinto. Hopefully, nandun na para makaboto na. So, yun. Anyway, I'll get back at you guys later. Bye! Hello! So, it's almost 9. Kaya...
kami nakakaboto. Kami nakakaboto.
Correct. Kasi...
dami makakapalang mukha. Paano aasenso ang Pilipina? Ang iboto mo, kahit puro Duterte ang nakapwesto, kung ganyan ang mga tao, walang disiplina, pipila na lang, hindi pa kaya.
Correct. Kasi nakapila kami, tapos may nawalang dalawa, yung magjowa, parang hindi na sila pumila.
Lumipat na sila sa likod, buti pa sila, alam nila ang disiplina nila.
Oo, lumipat
nawala
na.
Sila sa pila kasi may ginawa sila.
Oo, wala pa
They
yan.
had the
Parang
courtesy to let other people pass
people.
them.
Yes. Oo. Kaya lang,
They
so...
still had the decency. Pero yung iba,
yung isang mama naka-color green, ang una niyang ginawa, kung wari tambay lang siya, para nga siyang ano dun eh. Doon, bantay.
bantay sa lakay ang puta.
Hindi, para siyang bantay.
Bantay sa lakay nga.
Hindi, yung nagbabantay sa boto. Watcher. So, isipin ko sa una, para siyang watcher, nakatayo lang siya doon sa side. Maya-maya, nung umanda na yung pila, pumunta na siya doon sa pila. So, nakaka-lurky. Ngayon, ito yung nakakatawa. May isang aling, garapalan talaga siya. Si Aling, let's just call her Aling naka-white. Si Aling naka-white, talagang dumiretso siya doon sa pila. Yung andar ng pila, pumunta talaga siya doon sa pila. In fact, yung lalaki na siningita niya, sinita na siya. Pero ang ginawa niya, ninitian lang niya. At talagang parang literal na inamin niya na sinisingitan kita. Ganun talaga nangyari. So, nakakaloka yung mga... Ganun pala talaga yon. So, long story short, actually, long story pa rin siya. We've decided...
Mamaya na kami buboto.
Oo, mamaya na lang kami buboto. Saan tayo? Magpapamaniped muna ako. Maniped, tapos facial, gupit.
Papagupit si Lucas.
Oo. Bago ako matulog. Sana matapos ko siya mga 11.
Ayun, galing.
Sana matapos ko siya before 11 kasi gusto ko matulog. Tapos baka mag-cancel muna ako. Baka mag-cancel muna ako kay Krista at kay Mara kasi gusto ko talaga ma-experience bumoto. President isang taon, 6 years. O di after 6 years na ulit. Pag hindi ka bumoto ngayon, bumoto na ako ngayon, 'di ba? I will be 36 by next election. So, I'd rather vote now. At least when I turn 36, I have the option na to. Hindi na kami sa bayan. Kanina na, ewan ko na, video ko yata yung, I think I have a clip. Parang walang masyadong tao. Sayang, hindi ko na video yung sa Sabaliero. Sa Sabaliero, ang laki ng school. Ang daming tao. Ang dami talagang tao. Noon lang ako nakakita ulit ng ganun karaming tao. So, I imagine ganun siguro tuwing botohan ng presidente. Yan, dito. Dito. Maniped. There, Maniped. Ay, sarado. Ermengarde. Okay, let's go to Lisa. Doon sana ako magpapaano. There. Yan. Sabi kasi ng friend ko maganda din daw doon. Tsaka nakita ko sa picture. Maganda daw maglinis. Kaya lang sarap Hello. So I guess since election day, more talk isang vlog natin. So, nakauwi na ulit kami. Hindi pa kami nakakaboto. I had my nails done. So, it's good. Hopefully, makatulog na ako ngayon. So, I'd still have about 5 hours to sleep. And then wake up at 4. Just giving a sample time to go back to our precinct and vote. But, that's not yet sure. It depends. I don't want to miss the opportunity. Again, the next presidential election would be 6 years from now, which means I would be around 36, 37. And I think that's just a bit too late. So, anyway, we're back home. I think it's 11. I'm just about to take a rest. Later, it's technically Monday already, but later, start na ng Monday ko. So, work ulit. Anyway, I'm really sleepy. I'll just see you guys back. Good morning!